thank you very much indeed, and thank you for coming in here this evening. Yes! Nice.
So today's been an amazing day for our students here. They've had the chance to work with Jools Holland, unbelievable musician, TV presenter, just legend of music in the UK. He's been here with some of his team, his bass player, his drummer and his vocalists, and the students have had the chance to work with them all today. And they'll even get the chance this evening to sing and play with them on stage. What an incredible opportunity.
Yes, Piero, and Ed, Roddy Richardson.
If you are considering coming to Aiglon and you are very much into music, I definitely think that it's a place where you can take your gift and make it flourish.
For joining us. We love you, madly. God bless you all, and have a lovely night. Thank you.
Mr. Jools Holland!